Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code 0x800700C1 using proven solutions that work on Windows 11. This error usually appears when Windows Update fails to install and stops with a generic installation failure message. In most cases, the issue is caused by corrupted update files, damaged system components, or a broken Windows Update service. The good news is you can fix this without reinstalling Windows or losing your files. Start by restarting your computer. This clears temporary processes that may be blocking the update. After restarting, try running Windows Update again. If the error returns, continue with the next step. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate Windows Update, right-click it, and select Stop. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service and stop it as well. Keep this window open. We will return to it shortly. Open File Explorer and go to C, Windows Software Distribution. Delete everything inside this folder. These are temporary update files and are safe to remove. Next, go to C, Windows System 32, Catroot2. Delete all files inside this folder as well. Return to the Services window and restart all the services you stopped earlier. Restart your computer and check if Windows Update works. If the error still appears, we will repair system files. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. This process may take several minutes. If corrupted files are repaired, restart your computer. If the issue continues, open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter. This command repairs the Windows system image and fixes deeper update problems. Once the process finishes, restart your computer again. Also, make sure your antivirus or security software is not blocking Windows Update. Temporarily disable it and try running the update again. After the update installs successfully, turn your antivirus back on. In most cases, these steps completely fix the Windows Update error. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.